Hello, hello. Live stream number 120. Okay, give me just a minute. I'm almost done setting everything up, and I'll be right back. Just a moment. Alrighty, sorry about the wait. Mr. Tiger, how's it going? Daniel S, good to see you, man. Yeah, I listened to this playlist a little bit earlier. I like this one. Of course, I can't hear it right now, but it was cool when I was listening to it. It's like some stuff you can play at the gym. M. Madhu, how's it going? Woo. Okay. Ready. Okay. Let's go ahead and see what's going on today. I was right once again yesterday. Dollar continued going up, just like I thought. Although that wasn't too hard to call, really. Pretty obvious. Okay, I'll wait on the dollar. I'm not sure what to do with that yet. This also came up like I thought too. Came up and down. It wasn't. This wasn't a good trade. That's why I didn't take it. The yens did continue up as well. This was one of the better ones, obviously, because the dollar was going up too. So let's see, Thursday. Let's check the news really quick. I gotta turn this brightness down on these screens. 5:30 heavy news, heavy-ish, but nothing on the London, so that's good. All clear on the London. Is the dollar coming down? Potentially. Let me look around and see. Get some more clues here. Yeah, if you can't tell off the dollar chart alone, just look at the majors. Look at the reference pairs. Look at the cross pairs. Look around at everything, and you should be able to get an idea of what's gonna go down. Yeah, these are still in a downtrend technically. But yeah, that's one thing about the dollar. If it trends for too long, it's very quick to reverse. Kind of like the EGBP. Very similar. It's not like the yens where they'll just trend on forever and ever. It does have like a limit. Yeah, see, this is a good sign that it's gonna at least start to come down. It's not a reliable move down yet though, so you at least need like a double top or some type of reversal pattern first. I'll leave my level here because it's still a relevant level. A relevant level. This is my other trade I won yesterday. Obviously I could have gotten a lot more out of it. And it went through right after I cut the stream off, by the way. So of course it did. Wasn't able to get that money shot, but there it is. What else we got? Yeah, this might end up coming up today, or it might end up just chopping around consolidation. Yeah, the dollar actually might end up coming down a little bit, just based off the pairs. Yeah, that looks like it's what's gonna happen. But yeah, like I said, it's not a reliable move down. At least not yet. Oh, Bitcoin dropped under 29K. Roll. Let's see what's going on with the yens. Should be something over there. Yeah, not sure what to do with the yens. They're not looking very tradable at the moment. Yeah, don't see anything stand out at the moment. Yeah, nothing yet. So it might be a late session. We'll see though. You know how this goes. By the time the open happens, I should be able to find something. And if not, then it'll be like 12:30, 12:45 when the moves will happen. Hope everybody's doing good today. I woke up 16 hours ago. Can you believe it? It's true. This is a pretty convincing move down here. But like I mentioned yesterday, I'm not trading reversals anymore. I'm not trading breakouts anymore. I'm trading solid trends only. Especially for this slow summer period, you got to go for the super good moves only. I want 70, 80% win rate at all times. Past 2 weeks, I think my win rate has been like in the 30s and 40%. Terrible. Although I'm still doing all right. All right, Daniel S said you're doing very good. Looking forward to a brand new, very good session. Yeah, man. I'm not gonna lie, it's looking pretty difficult for today. Usually by the time I come in here like 11:40, there's already stuff cooking, but that's not looking like it's gonna be the case today. So I'm gonna have to really, you know, I'm gonna have to work today. It's not gonna be easy today. You can already tell. As soon as I say that. Oh, thank you, Mr. Tiger. This playlist is way louder than the one from yesterday. There we go. That should be better, right? You said at least we don't have a ton of news and data for the market to act crazy like yesterday. Yeah. Yesterday's trades were kind of easy though. Two super easy. What trades did I take yesterday? See if I can remember. Oh, that EGBP short. That was one of the easiest trades I've taken ever. And then that odd USD short, which I got saved by like a pip or two. Let me see if it's still on there. I might have left it on there. Nah, I took it off. It was where was it? Yeah, I remember I got in here. I think like right here. And originally I had a 10 pip stop loss. So I doubled it to 20. Look how close that was. And then it went through down in here somewhere. Somewhere in here, I don't know. But yeah, I got saved by like 2 pips. So for all those times that I get stopped out by 2 pips and then it goes through right after, there are times where I get saved by 2 pips and it goes through right after. So you got to take the good with the bad. All right, you can hear me now? Okay. Naba says, do you do 0.25% risk? Right now I'm doing 0.4% risk, but I'm going to lower it back down to 0.3. I was trying to decide between the two. I think 0.3 is just a little bit better, a little bit safer. Although 0.4 is not bad either, but I think 0.3 is the way to go. It's just a little bit, you know, 0.2 is too low, 0.4 is too high. Go right in the middle. Like Goldilocks. And 3 is a good number. It matches up with a lot of other stuff. He said that passed the 100K challenge yet? Or is this already passed? This was a retake. And now I'm back on the trial version because I'm taking a break from it. Yeah, I got tired of, well, to go all the way back, I passed the FTMO challenge 11 times and lost a bunch of those accounts and realized that I had to revise my strategy. And that's how we got to where we are today. And then they changed the whole thing to unlimited time limit. So now I don't have to compound anymore. So I decided to take like a couple weeks away from the whole thing, not do any challenges for a couple weeks. And then when I come back, I'll probably just do the 200K. I already have 100 and then I just need another 100 after that to have the 400K maximum. So I think at the beginning of September, I'll probably just do a 200. And like I said, I can completely take my time now because it's unlimited. And yeah, I just need 300K more and that'll be it. So yeah, straight risk, no compounding, 0.3% risk is what I'm going with. I can potentially get a move down here. Kind of risky though. Kind of like late in the trend, but it should come down at least one more time. A little bit risky. Visible ID, you said, do you have a goal or expected profit for the funded account? That is a really good question. And you know, I put a lot of thought into it. And that's how I decided on the 0.3% risk. So once I get the 400K in funding, that is $1,200 risk per trade. And I can usually get around 10 reward, somewhere between 5 and 15 reward. So I'll just go in the middle and say 10. So 10 reward per week on that is $12,000 a week, which is not bad at all, obviously. But even on a 100K account with that same calculation is 3,000 a week. On a 200K account, it's 6,000 a week. So I mean, it's really good money, and 10 reward per week is not hard at all. But even say if you get 3 reward per week, you still be at 3,600. Even a small profit is like a lot. I'm at like plus 2.5 R this week so far. So I'm thinking I'll probably get to like maybe 7 this week. I don't think I'll, well, we'll see. I don't think I'll get to 10 this week, but I might. Okay, 5 minutes until the open. I will be right back for the open. 1 second. Okay. Minute and 30 seconds to go. Just about. I think the smart thing to do here would be to wait for a really big pullback. It's still in an uptrend. Well, like I said, the trend is starting to lose steam now, so I'm going to be a little bit more careful. the longer a trend goes, the less success rate you'll have at, up here towards the end of the trend. If it's the end of the trend. All right, here we go. Here's the open. What do we got? Wow, this is still coming down. This is not bad here. Okay, actually, yeah, I'll go for it. Almost missed that one. I said USD JPY rallying again, it looks like. Yeah, potentially. MKKM, yo, yo, yo. How's it going? Komodo Dragon. Good morning, good evening. The dollar is kind of in a... not a place where I want to take trades on it right now. I'll definitely wait on the dollar. So here I am over here on the odd and ZD. Instead, I'm gonna leave the dollar alone for a little bit. Let it figure out what it wants to do. I'm gonna go for 2 there. Not my favorite trade in the world, but it is a valid EMA pullback. Decent trend on the hour chart. So it should be fine, even though it's not the greatest trade ever. Should be cool. And what else we got? This one, the trend has just gone on for way too long, especially for this pair. So I'm gonna leave this alone. This should be reversing soon, but probably not today. Probably not until Friday's session. This will probably start to reverse. It looks like the dollar will come down for a little bit. I don't know if it's enough to like actually take a trade on though. So for now, I think I'm cool with the odd and ZD trade, and I think I'll just wait until I see something better. Yeah, all these dollar moves right now are like 50-50 chance, which is really just not good enough, although it's not bad either. Hold on. Okay, Komodo Dragon, you said, can one go mentally disturbed learning Forex? Man, you say some really unintentionally funny stuff. Yeah, man. I would say during my second year, I kind of went a little bit crazy. Not gonna lie. There was a point where I felt like I was gonna die. I tell that story a lot. But yeah, it's true though. I just didn't know what I was doing. And like I said, the expectations have been skewed from people on social media and stuff like that, making people think that they're supposed to be a fantastic trader after a year or two. And like I keep saying, I don't think that's the case. I think it takes longer than that for, I'd say, I don't know, most people. But yeah, if you're doing it the wrong way and you're just losing a bunch of money, it probably will drive you crazy. You just have to do it the right way. For me, it was losing enough money to where it was like, okay, either I'm going to do this the right way or I'm just not going to do it. And I definitely want to do it. I spent a lot of time and effort learning, so I'm not going to give up on it. So I was like, okay, you just have to do it the right way. As weird as it feels sometimes, that's the way to go. Okay, so unlike yesterday, I'm gonna wait for an actual pattern here. Like a double top, engulfing top. So this is still continuing this downtrend here. But I want an actual pattern today. I'm not gonna get in early today. Now, of course, this will be the day where I need to get in early, but I'm gonna wait. Naba, you said, I know you said no dollar today, but thoughts on GU? I didn't say no dollar. I just said I'm going to be careful with the dollar. Yeah, I think the dollar's still going up. Even though it's starting to lose steam now, it should still continue going up. So the G is probably coming down. Same with the EU, the AU, and the NZDU. UCAD should go up. You know, the usual stuff. Same as yesterday, pretty much. But yeah, definitely I won't be as like brazen as yesterday. Today's gonna have to be I'm gonna have to see a really, really good pattern in order for me to get into it. This is not bad here, but I think it should go up one more time. Just in case. Or at least give me a consolidation bar. Something. All right. We got a pretty big move up here. It definitely could come down some more though. Yeah, this will probably, it's looking like it'll be a late pop day. 12:30, 12:40, you know. You see, the day where I don't enter early is where it'll be the early move. I gotta be careful though. It's too risky. So I gotta wait. Gotta wait. Yes, patience is definitely the name of the game, for sure. I was not a very patient person when I started this a couple years ago. I'm still not. But while I'm doing this, I have to, you know, that's what it's got to be. I've calmed down a lot. I used to be a demon back in the day. But then again, so was everybody else. So I was just, you know, we were all on the same page. People have calmed down in general. Well, some people went the other way. Some people got even crazier. Yeah, that's just what it was, you know. That was like the culture back then. You know, I guess we're in like a time of self-reflection and healing and peacefulness. See how long this lasts before people start acting up again. Give it a couple years, people are going to get tired of being so good. This is good though. Maybe we've all become better people out of this whole thing. I don't know. Probably. Okay, there we go. There's a move back up. Yeah, you know how this goes. The cycles. It is possible that this is just a consolidation bar. It might not actually. Here's what I'll do. I'm gonna wait until after this goes above here. So once the dollar index goes above there is when I'll take my trades. But until that happens, I'm not touching anything. You said the human nature is so fiddly. Yeah. Because people know they're in the wrong. Like if everybody's unethical and has no morals and no integrity, then we just won't have anything. So everybody can't be like that, but then everybody can't be good either. I don't know. I think you gotta have the good and the bad. That's just kind of how it is. If there's no bad, then what's even good? You gotta have both. This might actually be it here. Like I said, I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait. Here's the marker right here. Yep. Yeah, equilibrium between good and bad. Perfectly said. So I won't bother doing a sell stop here. First of all, I think that would be way too big of a stop loss. Let's see. 13. Yeah, I think I can get something better than that. Yeah, once it gets past there, past here, it should just be coming down after that. And now I need to figure out how far is it coming down. Am I gonna go for 2 or 3? Probably 2. It's kind of late in the trend, so I think I'll only go for 2. I think I'm gonna renew my lease for 1 more year. I'm too lazy to move, so you know, I'll continue paying for this overpriced situation. Grossly overpriced. Like everything else right now. This was not a bad long move actually. I should have took it that way. On here. Nah, that's not good either. But yeah, this probably would have worked if I don't went for a long here. Ooh, there we go. Be a nice tight stop loss. It's not a AAA plus move or anything, but this probably will work. I'm not gonna take it, but Yeah, too risky. Potential short over here also coming up. It's pretty similar to yesterday. It's like the same moves happening. Round 2. Still too early, but it's getting there. It's a little mini double top. Yeah, I might take it actually. I think I can take it now. Kind of a shallow pullback though over here. Let me take this off here. It's definitely not a good idea. It looks okay, but it's not great. Yeah, this pullback's so shallow and still kind of late in the trend, and I don't know. I think I'd rather miss the move than get into like a not so great move. Yeah, it probably goes up a little bit more. So yeah, as usual, to be on the safe side, you can just set a sell stop. So I'll do that. That I'm okay with. I don't like how big the stop loss is. $14 and $20. So that's 1 1/3. Situations like this where it's good, but it's not like 2 reward, 3 reward good. I can still get something out of it. So it should at least go to there, if not further. Since I have to use such a big stop on it. So I mean that's $500. I'm not mad at that. I'll do that. That's the way to go. Self stop. And okay. Uh, 13. All right, there is the super safe, low risk way to do it. Not as much reward, but I don't have to worry about getting stopped out, most likely. And it looks like this one is starting to finally get going. Let's see if it makes it all the way down there. It's only 27 pips on this pair. This pair trend's pretty heavy, so it should be fine. Alrighty. What else we got? Anything? Definitely some more moves down here. It's not good yet, though. Be sure to hit the like button if you're enjoying the streams, the channel. Once again, if you didn't hear earlier, I've been up since 8 o'clock this morning. That is, I don't know, 16 hours so far, 17 hours, something like that. I do that every Monday through Friday. A little bit ridiculous, but you know, I'm used to it now. Okay, it's looking pretty good actually. Naba, you said GU and EU are correlated, right? Would it be wise to enter both? You can, but it's like taking 2 trades on the same pair, kind of. Still holding the USD JPY. Yeah, this probably goes up one more time at least. The yens trend forever. It's just kind of late in the trend for my taste, so I'm gonna leave this one alone. But yeah, it should go back up. Jeff Nunn, you said they're not fully correlated. No, they're not, like, you know, they're very closely related. I'll put it that way. So right now they're actually kind of off from each other, and that's mainly because the EGBP came down so much. So you see the EGBP, you can actually match this up. The EGBP coming down from the 10th to the 17th. Euro USD coming down from the 10th to the 17th, and then the GBP is just chopping around because it can't go up too far away from the EU, and it's correlated with the dollar, so it'll just end up chopping around until this starts going back up, and then it'll go down and catch up to where the EU is at, if that makes sense. And the same thing with the AU and the NZDU and the odd NZD. It's the same thing over there. You said I'm trailing, stop, locking in profit. So if I get stopped out, at least I'll be 57.6 pips in profit. Yeah, that's pretty good. Never risk over 5% per trade. Yeah, there's situations like if you're compounding, there's gonna be situations where you'll risk more than that, but yeah, typically I'd stay way lower than that. Okay, this one might go through soon. Okay, it looks like this is going to trigger here. And like I was saying, once the dollar goes above this green line, it should be going back up after that. But this could very much just be a consolidation on the hourly chart. And it could just be getting ready to come down pretty hard, probably into this level again, and then go back up. So that's why I went with the sell stop here, just in case that happens. It'll save me from losing a trade I don't need to lose. Here's this. Hold on. Yep. Yeah, you said AUD USD still bearish. Yeah. All the majors still definitely in a trend for sure. Yeah, see, this wasn't ready yet. It's gonna come down at some point, but yeah, we gotta be on the safe side. See, the old me would have just gotten a market order and probably lost a trade here for no reason. The way it's been going these past couple weeks, I'm being super safe about everything now. I was losing a lot of trades for, yeah. Win rate is down in the dumpster right now. I'm gonna sleep good today, let me tell you. I've been working so much lately, I don't even have insomnia anymore, or almost. It's almost gone. Maybe that's what I should have been doing all along. Just stay up for 16 hours. Insomnia cure. See, is it finally gonna go through, or finally gonna trigger? And yeah, it looks like it. Quick bathroom break. I'll be right back. Okay. Still hasn't triggered yet. Looks like the dollar is almost above the little line here. This one's coming down pretty slow. But it looks fine though. So yeah, not the most eventful day, but it looks like I'll still make a little bit of something. Yeah, these yens are kind of unstable. Oh. All right. Yeah, you might actually get a little bit more of a move up here. So good thing I'm not in the trade yet. Maybe. Yeah, lots of consolidation going on. A lot of trends that were going for a couple of days are starting to lose steam now. So this is the result of that. Everything is just kind of leveling out. So let's see. If I get these two trades, it'll be like right around 3.5 reward for the day. 3.5 R, which is around 1,500. I'm not mad at that. Yeah, it looks like the dollar might actually come down a little bit more before it goes up, which makes sense based off the hourly and the 4-hour. It should, yeah, probably come down a little bit more. So once again, very happy that I use this stop order and not a market order, because it looks like it's gonna potentially come up here somewhere. It shouldn't go too far up. It is still in a downtrend. This is probably just being greedy here, but I think you can get a little bit of a move here. I might do it. I really want to go for that. All right, I'll go for it. Um, I'd usually go for a little bit bigger of a pullback. That's a super heavy trend. Okay. So only 1 1/3 on that one too. This one's coming through, but very slowly. Still haven't been entered into this one yet. Right. So in the really good scenario, I win all 3 of these trades. It'll be right around 5R or $2,000. Yeah, I knew today would be a little bit on the difficult side. You already tell. Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg are supposed to be fighting each other. I'll watch that. So, all right. So I have 200 videos now on my YouTube channel. I got this little analytics software that tells me all this stuff. So I posted on my Twitter just so I can have some content on there. Not active at all on Twitter. I just use it really for the backlinks. Okay, this trade still hasn't triggered. All right, this one's looking pretty good. Honestly, all three of these trades have a pretty high chance of being winners. For sure. And that's if this one ever even triggers. Eventually it should, within the next 2-3 hours. I'll be right back, guys. Ooh, very slow moving today. Uh-oh. Chart froze here. Oops. not sure what happened with this chart here. Like froze up. Oh, nope. Not that one. Can't use Forex.com. They don't report the volume. FXCM. Oh, they report volume. Maybe they do now. Let's see. Nope. They still don't. Alright, FXCM it is. Okay. Pepperstone stopped reporting. What even is FXCM? Hold on. Okay. Standard issue Forex broker, looks like. Alrighty. I gotta put the trade back on there. $85.43. 2. Okay. Alrighty. Oh. You got stopped out of your USD JPY? Yep. Yeah, I had a feeling this might happen. That's why I said if it didn't go above this green bar, it'll probably go down more. Probably down to this red line down here, the same level from the other day, and then go back up. So whenever that happens, this will trigger on its own. It'll probably be at like 4 o'clock or something in like 3 hours. So the best thing about stop orders, you can just set it. It'll just do its thing on its own. I don't have to wake up out of my sleep or anything to trade it. Yeah, I'm only gonna go for one and a third here. I probably could get 2. I don't want to be greedy though. It's still $500. It's all good. Yeah, you want to re-enter on the yen. It's gonna take a minute though. It'll probably come like down here maybe, but it can go even further than that. You're brave though. I'm leaving that one alone today. Yeah, you had your trail too tight. Yeah, it's hard to call this one. It really could go down to here. It could even go further. It could come all the way down here. But it's gonna definitely go back up. As the yens do. Yeah, well, at least you're trailing. I don't trail at all. It's got to be a super good move for me to do that. I usually just take the 3 and then that's it. Sometimes I'll go for 4. What I can't stand is being in a profit and then losing it. So that's why I just go for the scalp. Yeah. Yeah, the trend can't go on forever. It's gonna start to reverse at some point, but it should at least put in like a reversal pattern before it actually reverses. Yeah, this playlist over. Okay, put some other one on. Alrighty. You say you took 5 trades and you're up 5R? Is that what you meant? Yeah, 25K account. I would use either $80 risk or $100 risk. Little over 0.3 or 0.4. What's going on with my odd NZD? Eh. All right, this one looks pretty good. Nice, man. Yeah, you're doing pretty good. I might have to actually cancel this trade here. Yeah, I gotta get out of this one. Because the EGBP is coming down so hard, it might trigger the trade before the dollar's ready to go back up, pretty much. So it's too risky now. It looked good an hour ago whenever I put it on there. So it won't be a super big profit day. This one looks almost guaranteed to go through. The odd NZD one I'm not sure about now. So if I win this one and lose that one, it'll be like a super small profit, but still a little bit of something. If I win both, it'll be a little under 4R, like 1400 or something like that, 1300. So it's 4.5 pips away right now. All right. Yeah, a very similar day to yesterday. Okay, I'll give this trade. I'll let this trade run through here. All right, this trade's not done by the time I come back. Oh my goodness, these are still going. All right. See, do I want to take this? I think it's still kind of dangerous. Yeah, these two should be fine. They're just gonna take forever. So, yeah, Daniel S. Everything's moving at a snail pace. Exactly. So yeah, it'll both of these will go through, I believe. It'll take 2-3 hours to go like 5 pips. So I hope you all enjoyed the stream. I will be back on here tomorrow at 11:30 p.m. Pacific as usual. And let's see. Nah, but you said newsletter equals slow leading up until the news. I didn't see anything too heavy. Nah, I don't know about that. I mean, I don't think this is like heavy enough for people to not be like trading. That's my opinion though. I haven't been trading the New York session in a long time, so. All right, guys. I will see you guys later.